with Christy Davis, our lifestyle manager here at Tower Hill. One of the amazing things about living in this community is your access to life enrichment programs and classes, and that is through the Institute. Christy, you head up that program, so tell us a little bit more about the life enrichment program here at Tower Hill.
Yes, I would love to. So our life enrichment classes have a huge variety of offerings. We do classes like oyster shucking.
That one was very popular and super fun.
Yes, and just showing you how to do something like that many people don't know. How about some cooking demos?
Those are popular as well. We have some great local chefs that come into the clubhouse, and you've got a whole cooking demo in front of you in your clubhouse, and you get to eat it,
Yes.
which is better.
Absolutely. Other things we do on the fitness spectrum is we have done pickleball clinics, full instruction on how to play the sport. We also do just regular fitness classes and programming like yoga, strength conditioning, things of that nature. Like I said, a big variety is what we really try and aim to offer you. Even wine tastings, we can do that as well.
And the great thing about Lewes, Delaware is all the offerings here in the coastal region. You put on Lunch and Learn, so different organizations and programs. You can enjoy a lunch and learn more about the opportunities here in Lewes. So where can folks find out more about your program and the Life Enrichment Institute?
Just head on over to towerhillinstitute.com and you can register right there for any class.